Assigning resources such as trucks and movers to a crew is something that should be done after all the jobs have been distributed among the crews. This is typically done the day before a job when you have a firm understanding of your mover's availability for that day. Scheduling too far in advance can be counterproductive if events happen that prevent people from working according to their typical availability. To assign resources, you must first be in edit mode. You can go into edit mode by clicking the Go Edit Mode button below the 2-month mini calendar. Once you go into edit mode, this will change to read your first and last name. Next, click the name of the crew you want to assign resources to and click Assign Resources from the drop-down options. When you click the Assign Resources link, the assignment window will pop up for that crew. There are 2 tabs used on this interface, Crewmen and Trucks. The window defaults to assigning crewmen. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list of crewmen currently on that crew. On the right, you will see a list of unassigned crewmen. Once you have clicked the crewman you want to assign, click the arrow pointing to the left. This will assign the crewman to the crew. If you click a crewman on the left side and click the right arrow, you will unassign them. You can assign more than one mover at a time by clicking individual crewmen and holding down the control button on your keyboard. Once the crewmen are on the left side of the field, you can mark the crew leader or driver. To do this, simply click the checkboxes. If you know a specific mover you want on the job, you can type in their mover ID number below the assigned crewman box and click Add. The crewman will be added if they're available. The box to the right that says Assign From allows you to switch the list of crewmen you have assigned from other crews. For instance, if you want to switch people on Crew 1 with the people on Crew 2, select Crew 2 from the list and click the Swap button. When reading the list of crewmen on this interface, the following data is displayed in this order: employee's last name, employee's first initial, employee's mover number, the letter D for those certified as a driver in HR, the first letter in the employee type that they are, such as F for foreman, C for crewman, etc. The number of hours they have been posted in payroll so far that week, and a schedule note if one has been set for them that day. This list will only show employees who meet the following conditions based off of their HR file. They must be marked as a schedulable resource. Their availability status for that day must be available. Their hire and termination date must show them as with your company at the time of this job. This will confirm that only the available movers are on the schedule to be used. The truck interface is the same as the crew interface. When reading the truck data, you will see the truck's number followed by the assigned name of the truck inside of the fleet module. When all your resources for that crew have been assigned, click Save to move on to the next crew. Scheduling your crewmen before the job and printing the bill of lading will help speed up posting your jobs and provide more data on who was scheduled to work a certain job.